Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a hair tutorial. And yeah, we are. Look at my blonde. We're doing it, and we're doing it now. So let's get started. Hey, so I wanted to tell you a few things about some products that I've been using. This is probably like the third time that I have used these products. They are by Monat, and it's in the shower. Actually, I used, because I don't have a conditioner actually right now. I have a leave-in conditioner, but I don't have a conditioner. So what I used in the shower was the black shampoo and then the revitalized shampoo, and which the black shampoo actually gets rid of all the gunk and then that, you know, build up and stuff on your hair, and then the revitalized actually like cleanses, and it's like amazing. It's like, and it's so sudsy and everything with a so minute little drop of shampoo. And then I used the leave-in conditioner, and because my hair is really dry and it's kind of brittle, I think a little bit, it's on the dry side, I put the leave-in conditioner on while I was like kind of shaving my legs, and then I took a comb and just like brushed through it, and then rinsed it all out, got out of the shower and bundled it up in a towel so it could dry just a little bit. Now on the outside, what am I going to do? I'm going to use a knot detangler. And again, you know, my hair is not like super knotty right now or anything like that, but I'm going to use that because the way that I'm going to dry it is without a brush. So I'm going to try it this way, just like what my stylist did or tried, or I'm going to try to do what she did. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take the Rejuva beads. Now this is a split end mender. And I've never seen any, well, my cat is moving my camera. Stop it. I'm not turning the water on. This is a split end mender, and I've never seen anything like this before in my life. But I'm gonna put this like on my ends. Just on the bottom. More because my hair is dry, it eats up a little bit more product until it gets straightened out. So yeah, and I can already feel like it's like 200% better just like that. And then I'm going to take some blowout cream. Now this is for blow drying your hair, obviously. And what I like about this too is that right? Oh yeah, you can. Okay. So once you take the little safety container or the safety thing paper off of it, you can use, I think, the top. Maybe you can't. I thought you could. Maybe not. Yeah, you can. Okay, so it comes out the top. It's the little things, right? All right, so it comes out the top. And I'm going to take a little bit. This is really not working very well for me. Okay, so I'm going to take just a little bit of that, and I'm going to just kind of spread it on my hair like this. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair. And I'm going to try to do it without a comb. Now, before I do it though, I am going to brush it, and then I will do it with my fingers. So this is what the brush thing that I'm going to be using. It's like a paddle brush, and that's kind of like to put it right through my hair. I had seen on another video, people were talking about these paddle brushes and how you're supposed to use them is down. I've never seen that before. Is that true? Let me know. Is that true? I need a stylist to tell me. All right, so here we are. We're all straight. That feels so good. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands and blow dry my hair. so that is pretty much dry. Now, because I have a lot of volume in my hair, it's a little wavy, a little curly. I think it did really good with, you know, look at that. Look how smooth that is. And I mean, you saw how it was dry, or not dry, but like right out of the shower, how wavy it was. So, you know, the detangling and then the blowout cream really, really help, as well as the split end mender. Now, mind you, my ends are a little dry, so they are a little bit frizzy. So I'm gonna go back over to the bathroom and show you a couple more products. Now, with my hair too, because I use a Dyson, and half of it, I didn't even use the nozzle on it. I just did it with the regular blow dryer. So, but once it starts getting really, really dry, I do it warm, and because my hands really get hot on my hair, I don't have mine set on a full hot for sure. I've got it down one, so it's on like a medium heat. And once I do it for a while like this and it starts to get really hot, then I put it on the cool, what do they call it? Cool blast, where you just push in the button and it goes completely cold and it closes the hair shaft on how you want to style it. So on this side, I always put my hair back like this. So look at that, girl. Look at the wave that I did just with my fingers, you know, with no brush whatsoever. So let's go back over to the bathroom and let me show you a couple more products. Okay, so some other products that once I blow dry my hair, one of the things, because I have such dry ends right now, even though I put the split end mender on there, I'm going to use their oil intensive by Monat, and it comes in a little bottle like this, and it's an oil, and it has like the top here, you push down on it and it sucks it up in the dropper, and that's all that you really need. And not even that actually. So that's what that is. You roll it around in your hands and put it on your ends. If your hair is dry all over, then brush it through your hair like this with your fingers. And it's an amazing difference. I mean, look at that style. And that was with my freaking fingers. I'm so impressed with myself. Summer, I did it. You'll be so proud of me. Okay, so that's one of the products, or the last product that I put on my hair for right now. Now, tomorrow morning, if it is, my hair is really dry, I said. Tomorrow morning, even with this oil on it, it will not be oily in the morning. They have a dry shampoo as well. This dry shampoo is everything. I have worked at Ulta, I have worked at Sephora for years, and I've tried them all. I've tried everything on the floor. This one is different. Now, what you want to do for this is like this and squirt. I put it around my crown. I typically do not put it on the underneath of my hair just because I don't need it there. It's flat. That's what I wanted to stay flat and it's not oily. So if you can see it, there's no white tint to it. There's no oil, there's no nothing. And I can promise you that just wasn't air coming out of the can. There is a product there and it smells awesome. So, but in the morning I put it all around my crown and there you are, doop. And then I brush it up like this with my fingers. And then that will be my second day hair. And that's that. So, Summer, you will be proud of me. I'm proud of me. So, that is that. That is my new routine. If you have oily hair, you can train your hair to not be oily like that. The dry shampoo will really help with a dry scalp. The oil will help with a dry scalp as well, especially with dandruff and so forth. Your hair comes from the follicle, from the scalp. You need to take care of your scalp more than just your hair. My hair is, of course, processed. Yes, I cover the gray. So it's amazing. So my hair is probably, you know, some damage over the years, but I'm getting it back. I'm getting it back. This is my 3rd time. So, but just look at this. I mean, it's just incredible. Just incredible sheen. Let me see if I can turn around and you can see. You can see it like that. I don't know if you can or not, but you know, if I had some fan here blowing in the wind or something, I could tell a little bit more, but that's not the case. But I'm just impressed that look how straight that is. And it's really showing my color, which is my true colors that my master stylist gives me. It's just amazing, just amazing. Like I said, this is my 3rd time using them. 3-week period, I guess. And I'm in awe of all these products. So if you have oily hair and you need to train it, hook me up. I will teach you how to do that. And if your stylist can't help you, I can help you. I can hook you up, okay? So there is that.
But check out the shine. Check it out. Check it out. You see that shine? And that is finger dried hair. Finger dried hair. You see that? Finger dried hair. Finger dried hair. I am just in awe with myself. Oh my gosh. And I can do it this way. Or I can do it this way. Oh.
So, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and hopefully you learned a little bit. If you want some more detail about all of these products, please let me know. I can go through each scenario with you with whatever hair type that you have. So thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. God bless.